I'm going to show you how you can create free advertisement videos with AI, just like the video you just watched. Now, if you're a business owner and you have a business running, you will know that before getting a professional advertisement videos like what you just watched, you will need to pay brands to be able to create these videos for you. With the help of AI now, creating advertisements for your video is now easy. You don't need to pay a lot of money before you can be able to create this type of videos. With this free AI tool that I'm about to introduce to you, you can be able to create this advertisement video all for free without paying anything. Now let me take you through the entire process so that at the end of the video you can be able to start creating advertisement videos with AI to promote your brand. Now let's get started. My name is Debbie and all I do on this channel is to teach you about AI tools, how to use AI tools, and how to create faceless videos with AI for your faceless channel. Let's get right into the video.
Hello beautiful people, welcome to Mary's Hair Collections, your #1 spot for premium hair and fabulous nails right here in Nigeria. We've got stunning hair extensions, bone straight, curly, wavy, everything you need to slay any look.
Now, to be able to create a professional advertisement video like what you just watched, you will need a prompt. Prompting is very important when it comes to creating of images or videos in AI, and this is a prompt I'm going to use. I'm going to share this prompt with you in my Telegram communities. If you want me to share the link to my Telegram community with you, go to the comment section and type share the prompt, or just type share, and I'm going to share a link to my Telegram community with you so that you can copy all this prompt and start using it. Now, this is a prompt. I want to create an advertisement video for a brand called Mary's Cosmetic using View 3. I'm going to explain every part of this prompt to you. Now, the reason why I wrote View 3 is that I want ChatGPT to be able to understand the kind of AI that I'm going to use to create this particular video. It's very important so that ChatGPT will know how to craft the prompt. They are selling a high quality makeup products such as foundation, lipsticks, eyeshadows, and skincare items. So you can specify the actual location of the video. So I decided to use this location for it. I decided to also give examples of the things that they are selling in that shop. Please help me write a detailed View 3 prompt, including these are the detailed things I want ChatGPT to provide for me in the prompt. The shop interior description. So I want a description of the shop, how the main woman should look and what she should wear. This is very important if you want to create consistent image. You need a detailed looks of the main subject, the hair, the attire she's wearing, how she's looking, and every little thing that can describe her, so that if you want to create consistent image, you can easily use a prompt to create your consistent image. That is why we need the detailed description of the woman. Now, the third thing is the style of the video, which includes the lighting, the camera shot, and the mood of the video. And the fourth one is the type of music to use in the background. And the last one is a short script for the woman. That's what she should say. Make it detailed and well written so that I can use it directly in View 3. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to copy this prompt and paste it in ChatGPT. So I'm going to copy it like this. We are going to use ChatGPT to expand this prompt. So now, like I said, if you want me to share the prompt with you, go to the comment section and type share the prompt with me, or type share, and I'm going to share a link to the prompt with you. So here I'm going to paste my prompt like this, and then click on the command button and wait for ChatGPT's feedback on this. So now you can see ChatGPT has given me a well-detailed prompt that I'm going to copy and paste in Google View 3. But I'm going to explain each part of the prompt for you so that you understand what I mean by a well-detailed prompt. So I'm going to copy it first like this. Go to my Google Docs and paste a prompt here. So now let's go through the prompt and then explain why ChatGPT gave me this prompt. So now this is a scene. That's the main environment where the whole thing took place, or where the advertisements will take place. You see the location there. You can choose US, you can choose Kenya, you can choose Canada, depending on where you are making your advert, or where your shop is located, or your business is located. The shop has a white marble floors with a subtle gold vine. So you can see this is a detailed description of the shop. Everything here is a detailed description of the shop, which is very important for View 3 to adhere to it. Now, when it comes to the second part, is the main subject. Now, the main woman appearance and outfit. A young woman around 28 years old with rich brown skin, smooth complexion, and glowing dewy makeup. Face shape, the eyes, the lips, and everything. You can also see the hair is even included, what she's even wearing, and then hair, necklace, and everything. So this is a well-detailed prompt about the woman. This helps you if you want to create consistent images or consistent videos. Now look at the video style. ChatGPT has given me the video style. That's the lighting, the mood, and then the camera shot. Everything here is included. Now look at the music too. A soft upbeat music or Afrobeat instrumental with a lot of details about the music. Then after that, ChatGPT gave me a script because I asked ChatGPT to add a script, a short script of what we want the woman to say. There's a script the woman will be saying in the video. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to copy this script. We're going to copy it in bits because if you copy everything at a go, View 3 will not be able to generate all. So we're going to copy from here up to here. Then we will use it to edit the woman portion. So what I'm going to say is that she says, I'll bring my quote here or quotation mark here and paste my speech here. So we have double of this. We're going to delete one. Then I'm going to bring a quote here like this. So this is what she said. Okay, so anytime you want somebody to say something in your video in View 3, always put it in quote and then start with she says. She says for the AI to understand what the main subject is saying. So the next thing I'm going to do is to copy my script, copy from the music like this to the scene, and then open to View 3. Type View 3 in your search and choose one of the options. So the option I'm going to go with is the Google DeepMind, and then click on try in flow. We're going to click on try in flow. I've already made a video on how to access View 3 all for free. So if you have not watched that video, that's a link to that video, or it will be popping up after watching this video. Make sure you click on it and go and watch. Now the only thing you can do to support me is by liking this video and also leaving a nice comment in the comment section for me, share the videos, and also subscribe to the channel. That's the only thing you can do to motivate me to create more. Now click on create with flow. So these are some of the videos I use View 3 to create. You can check the playlist in the description section. You will see all the videos I use View 3 to create. Now click on new project like this. This is where we are going to enter our prompt. So I'm going to right click inside the prompt and click on paste. Then we are going to come here and choose one of the elements here. All we're going to choose here is text to video because we have text and we want to convert into a video. Then click on bring your cursor to the right here, click on the settings, choose the output to be 1. If you choose more than 1, it will take more credit. So we are going to choose 1 output, then choose the model. For the model, we are going to choose the View 3 fast text to video. That comes with an audio, and that will take 20 credits. If you choose the first option, that's the View 2 fast, it will take 10 credits, but it will not come with any audio or sound. But because you want sound, we will choose this one. The View 2 quality will give you a quality video but with no sound, and the View 3 will give you quality video but with a sound, but that will take 100 credits from the free 1000 credit that we have been given. So we are going to minimize it to save our credits. So we're going to choose the View 3 fast with a sound. So let's click on it and then hit on the command button. So now if you want me to share the prompt with you, go to the comment section and type share the prompt with me, and I'm going to leave a link to this prompt with you to be in my Telegram community so that you can have access to all the prompts I'm using in this particular video and other previous prompts that I've used on my previous videos. Everything is in my Telegram community. You can have access to all the prompts all for free. Now if you also like this video, click on the like button and also click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and leave a nice comment in the comment section. That's the only thing you can do to motivate me and also to support me to create more videos like this. To do while we wait for our video to be generated, let's go back to our prompt. So there's a prompt. We will have to edit the prompt again. So we are going to come back to the portion where we enter the script. So we are going to edit this portion, just delete it, and then go back to the script. So there's the main script. We are going to copy from here, from where we ended the first one to the last part. We're going to copy it like this and go back to that section. So this is the main section. We will enter our script here. So there's the continuation of the first script. So now we're going to copy this one. We're going to copy this one like this, with the exception of the script at the down, because we have already used that to edit the first part of the prompt. I'm going to copy it like this and go back to flow. So this flow, let's see what view 3 has provided. Let's see. I'm not going to play the rest of the video for you. Just make sure you watch the video to the end because you will see the final product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this prompt here like this, and then hit on the command button. You don't need to make any changes to your settings because you have already done that. So all you have to do is to click on the command button and wait for the second one. Let's wait for the second one before we finally watch the entire video. So the second part of the video is ready. Now let's watch the first video. That's the first one.
Hi beautiful, I'm at Mary's Cosmetics. Discover your true glow today with Mary's Cosmetics because you deserve nothing but the best.
So to be able to download a video, bring your cursor on top of the video like this, click on the download button and choose the original size. You can also upscale it before you download it, but I'm going to choose the original size because I'll finally upscale it using my editing app. Now when you are done downloading these clips to your computer, the next thing you can do is to put all together using an editing app of your choice. Open to CapCut, click on create project, and then click on import button and choose all the clips that you just downloaded. So these are the clips. We have first one, second one, and third one. And click on the open button. Now you can go ahead and add everything to your timeline. So this is the first one. I'm going to drag and drop it on my timeline. And I'll also do the same thing for the second one. Just tap and drag it and drop it on your timeline. And do the same thing for the third clip. Wow. Now the next thing we are going to do is to do away with this watermark. So to do away with this watermark, we can add an overlay. To add an overlay, we are going to choose one of the stickers. So I click on the sticker and then choose one of the stickers to use to cover my watermark. So this is the record sticker I chose. I'm going to just put it somewhere here like this. And then what I'm going to do is to drag it from the left to the right to cover all the watermark. Now I'm going to reduce it because I don't want it to be too loud on the screen, just to position it on the watermark. That's all. So when you're done, there's nothing else to do. The next thing you can do is to go ahead and click on the export button and export this video to your computer and start using it to promote your brand. Now let me know what you think about this video in the comment section and share a nice comment with me in the comment section because that is the only way you can motivate me to create more. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hi beautiful, I'm at Mary's Cosmetics. Discover your true glow today with Mary's Cosmetics because you deserve nothing but the best. Mary's Cosmetics, unveil your beauty. Available nationwide. For more information, call the number on the screen.